set and ready to race. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Blue Phoenix, and moving up on the inside is Shine Again. It's Blue Phoenix followed by Shine Again by the rail. And at the mid-back stretch, it is still Blue Phoenix in the lead, followed by Top Guy in second. And Shine Again running in third, moving up on the outside in fourth is Hot Taste. Entry number 1, Dance Kotic and Empire's Magic. And nearing the far turn, it is still Blue Phoenix in the lead by 3.5 lengths, followed by Top Guy in second. And racing in third is entry number 6, Hot Taste, Shine Again, Empire's Magic, Dance Kotic, and Boardwalk. And rounding the far turn, it's still Blue Phoenix in the lead, followed by Top Guy on the farther outside and Hot Taste. And at the top of the stretch is now Top Guy in the lead, Blue Phoenix, and Hot Taste moving up on the farther outside. It's Hot Taste on the outside. It is still Hot Taste and Top Guy by the rail. It's Top Guy and Hot Taste fighting it out for the lead. Top Guy by the rail and Hot Taste on the outside. Hot Taste on the outside and Top Guy. And finally at the payoff line, it's Hot Taste, Top Guy, Boardwalk, Shine Again, Blue Phoenix, Empire's Magic, Dance Kotic.
Okay, 6-5